Not the cool enough for me. You don't know how long we waited while other groups have faded. Just like haircuts, we use sheer guts to open the ear ducts of your brain to expose every vein. Cause you sound plain, insane, and mundane. It's a shame. You got no beats, so you get no seats at this table. You ain't stable with the mic cable. But back to the act of developing a gangsta trap. It means that nothing can be whacked. The music is picked right, the mic is grip tight. The lyrics are kicked right to a beat like kryptonite power. Not withstood by any mortal or immortal. To make it get on the floor till another dope jam. We slam with precision, bringing beams of light like the colors in a prism or reflections through a spectrum. And all the soft, silly suckers, I'ma wet them. In other words, destroy, boy, and then claim my fame. This is the meaning of the name.
What does the dog mean? 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 What does the dog mean?
Gangstar, it means a lot to me. It means I'm free to bust rhymes sporadically. Gang represents my boys of a posse, so just back up off me. And the star symbolizes the power, making the suckers and weak brothers cower. We got strong, intelligent minds with a street sense. Crazy offense, stupid defense. Now, have I made myself clear? Or do I have to call on DJ Premier? For he and I make up the songs that we long for. Meanwhile, ducks just knock on the wrong door, waiting for a call for the doors to open. Cause they're hoping that they'll get chosen. But to be chosen is a divine gift. You better get a job quick. See, you can't rhyme and all your beats